What's the meaning of amaryllis? Amaryllis. 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 Amaryllis.
Amaryllis is a type of flowering plant that is native to South Africa and the Caribbean. The name amaryllis comes from the Greek word amaryllis, which means sparkling. The flowers of the plant are large and showy, with trumpet-shaped blooms that come in a range of colors, including red, pink, white, and orange. Many people consider amaryllis to be a symbol of love and beauty, and they are often given as gifts during the holiday season. Overall, amaryllis is a beautiful and colorful plant that adds a touch of brightness and joy to any living space.